Hi friends, welcome to Guru Tuition Center. I am Balakrishnan. This online video is for plus 2 mathematics on chapter on binary operations. We discussed the problems in the chapter binary operations. You shall see it. A question from your book, exercise 1.4, question number 2, subdivision 4. Check whether star is binary, commutative or associative. An operation is defined on positive integers as a star b is equal to 2 raised to ab. You are asked to check whether this operation is a binary and whether it is commutative or associative. We shall examine regarding the binary operation. We have to see whether it is a binary operation. Consider any two positive integers, a and b. For proving it is a binary operation, we have to examine whether the results obtained on the given operation by that definition is a positive integer. For any two positive integers a and b, 2 raised to ab. ab is the product of two positive integers. It will be another positive integer. 2 raised to a positive integer will be a third positive integer, of course. Therefore, this operation defined as a star b on positive integers as 2 raised to ab is a binary operation. I have stated it. For any two positive integers a and b, 2 raised to ab is a positive integer. Therefore, star defined on z plus is a binary operation. Then coming to the second part, we have to check whether it is a commutative operation. The operation is a binary one and you have to check whether it is commutative. For commutativity of this operation star, consider two elements a and b in z plus. If a star b is equal to b star a, then it is commutative. For commutativity, we need to show a star b equals b star a. Left hand side is a star b, that is equal to 2 raised to ab as defined in the given definition. A star b is equal to 2 raised to ab. Similarly, right hand side, that is b star a, that is 2 raised to ba. But we know for two positive integers ab and ba are one and same. So, 2 raised to ab for left hand side, 2 raised to ab for right hand side. Therefore, LHS equals RHS. Star is a commutative operation. Now coming to the third part, associativity. For associativity, we take three elements, three positive integers, a, b and c. We need to show a star b star c is equal to a star b star c. For associativity, you have to show a star b star c equals a star b star c. Now, what is the left hand side? Let us a star b is equal to 2 star ab star c. That is 2 LHS equals 2 raised to AB. A star B is 2 raised to AB star C. The result will be 2 raised to this one. 2 raised to AB into 2 as defined in the given definition of star. Then right hand side, it is A star B star C. B star C is 2 raised to BC. A star 2 raised to BC is equal to 2 raised to A into 2 raised to BC. Have a look. Left hand side is 2 raised to AB into C, and right hand side is 2 raised to A into 2 raised to BC. Both are different. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Star is not associative. Once again, you are given an operation star on positive integers. How is A star B? A star B is given as 2 raised to AB. We have to check whether it is a binary operation, whether it is commutative or associative. First part, for any two positive integers A and B, 2 raised to AB will be a positive integer. Therefore, the operation said here is a binary one. Then commutativity. For commutativity, we have to prove A star B equals B star A. Now left hand side is A star B and is equal to 2 raised to AB. Right hand side is B star A, it is equal to 2 raised to BA, and for the product of two numbers A and B, it is AB and BA, the same figure. So this is commutative. For associativity, we need to show for three elements A, B and C, A star B star C must be equal to A star B star C. Considering the left hand side, A star B is 2 raised to AB and star C will be 2 raised to AB into C. Regarding the right hand side, it is A star B star C. B star C is equal to 2 raised to BC. When operated with A star 2 raised to BC becomes 2 raised to A into 2 raised to BC. Left hand side is obviously not equal to right hand side. Therefore, star is not associative. The given operation, the given binary operation is not associative. Okay, thank you.